Attention! This is an emergency broadcast by the United States government. There has been an anomaly reported in your area. This anomaly has been described as a humanoid creature with 4 long arms. The anomaly will try to find people and murder them. This anomaly is very strong and will only attack the weak. If the anomaly is trying to attack you, you must follow these steps. Firstly, try to act strong and defensive. If the anomaly thinks you're strong, it will leave you. If the anomaly doesn't leave you, act stronger. We will try to contain the anomaly. Thank you for listening.